using another camera. Right now we're heading out. Oh, it's cold down here. Why is it cold down here? Heading to the post office. I'm gonna mail this to Sean. Some gadgets that I need to give to him. So yeah, heading out the house today. Okay guys, what the heck? I don't know if you can hear me, but let's turn on the car first. Okay guys, oh my goodness. My glasses is fogging, but anyway, yeah, what the heck? Okay. Man, it's fogging. Yeah. So I'll be sending that gear to Sean, and yeah, so that'll be my what I'm going to do today. Later on, the guy who's gonna try to fix the, I can't think. Yeah, the guy that's gonna fix the car is gonna come over. He's gonna fix the windscreen that I broke a week ago. So yeah, it's gonna be a full-on day. And vlog yesterday didn't end. I'm gonna talk to you later. I'm just gonna go to the. I'm gonna go to the post office. I can't think. I haven't had sleep since last night. Just had a class, and I'll be doing a lot of things later. So yeah, I'm not in my head again. So the whole week today, I'm so tired. Yeah, I'm really tired, mate. What the heck happened to the car? Shit. Okay, so sorry about that. Got distracted. Yeah, so I don't know if you understand me. I'm trying to talk to you under these ones, and yeah, just had a long fuck. Can't think. Okay, so I just came from the post office, and I don't know if you understand me. My mouth's jumbled. Just came from the post office and just mailed Sean's the gadget that I'm gonna send Sean, and Sean's gonna send me his camera to me. So I'm a bit excited. No, I'm really excited to use the Ricoh GR2. I'm really itching for fuck. I've been trying to film myself for a lot of times, but I keep on messing up the words that I'm saying and all this shit. I'm getting frustrated. Nonsense. Anyway, yeah, as what I've said, I just mailed the letter. What the Okay, so yeah, what I was trying to say is that I just sent out a parcel for Sean. Okay, I'm back from the post office and finished with the shower, and I'm back to my schoolwork and everything else. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm also waiting for the guy who's gonna fix the windscreen that I broke a week ago. It was so stupid of me. And yeah, so I'm just gonna dive into this. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog today or here, or I don't know. So whatever comes up, yeah, I might cut it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm really tired. I don't know if I'm gonna take B-rolls of the fixing the car, but might end the vlog here. Yeah, we must, I don't know, might as well. I can't think. Like, yeah, I haven't had sleep for ages, and yeah, I said it earlier, and yeah, fucking car window's been fucked up, man. Oh, this sucks. Cheapo glass. Fuck, man. Cheap glass. Shit. Okay, I fell asleep earlier, and the thing is, the guy arrived and he did screen. It's awesome. It was quick, but yeah, I just offered to clean up the back part and everything, and the glass also. Because the thing is, yeah, I'd rather do it myself and do it clean rather than he do it and he's quick and he's in a hurry and everything else. But yeah, it was all good. I miss my car. Even though it's all bruised and everything. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna clean it up, and yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I forgot. Anyway, yeah, so everything's done. We're set for the week. I still have deadlines till later. I don't know if I can finish it. I'm really stressed and fucked up, but yeah, just feels nice that this thing's done, ready, and all I have to do now is worry about the rest. Okay.